No birds. Just came out of a dark little forest, and now we've found a. Is this a musical device? Sing us a song, you're the piano man. What was that? Yeah. Oh, he's lost his place. All right, Lavender Maze.
Ooh, this is gonna be big.
Bee.
Yeah.
Good thing my body reacts well.
Really allergic.
Yeah. All right.
How's this work?
Well, the ants tell you the time. You just got to ask them.
Wait, is that right?
Look, see, they're going now.
Yeah, it's like 4. That does actually work.
No, the ants. Oh, here's the bees.
Get ready.
Oh.
Oh yeah, nah.
How do you win this one?
We did it.
Yeah. That's a tough one.
Ah, this one's a labyrinth, not a maze.
Ah,
So you just walk around, I guess.
fair enough. Ooh, look at the garden. The beautiful. I can't even see it.
Hmm? Oh, horsey.
It's a cow. It's clearly a cow.
Shut up, it's a horse.
A horse, of course.
Wait.
They're all cows. There's no horses, man.
Yeah, that's definitely a horse. Oh, this is the journey. We're right on the border.
Of the whole gardens.
Yeah.
25 acres, they say.
Pond.
Hey, turtle.
Hey, buddy.
Where you going? Where you going?
I want you, turtle. Find your way to the 4 different corner mosaic flags, and then you'll find your way out. Alright.
Off we. Oh. Yeah, this is a bit more dense, isn't it?
We need to go to the corners first.
Corners, you say?
That's got to be a corner right there, right?
Yep, and what do we need to...
Mosaic flag.
Okay, we found it.
This way. What do you reckon?
Sniff her out, Mitchie.
Oh, I can see it turns off down here, so I think this stuff. Yep. Just
What's that, boy? Timmy's trapped down the well. Oh, you can smell the mosaic corner piece.
There it is.
Boom. What about this? Wait, hang on. Let's not lose each other.
2 more. You want to get some rocky boys.
Ooh. What is that? Oh, nice little pond thing. Well, not nice, but you know. Where's he? Where's he going? Aggie. I could hear you giggling like an idiot. You just can't contain yourself, can you? Look, I'm all scratched up now. Alright, we'll try this way.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Haven't
my.
been this way yet.
No, we have not. Oh, there's a boom. Gotcha.
Alright.
Now we need one.
This corner.
Out. Where you going, Mitchie? Well, here's the other corner. Wait, can you reach it from there? Nope. Got him. Where'd you go? No, he did. He left. He left me. I've got all the water, idiot. I hear ya.
You would have just come down here. It's just a dead end.
Wait. No.
So there must be an exit that's like out the front.
Yeah, true.
Doesn't seem right.
Nice.
You did it. There you go, hey?
Boshy! Right in the middle there. Oh, no, 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 bounce. Is that your 9?
Yeah. Let's do one like this.
Interesting. Yeah, we haven't done a close one yet, have we? I need to have my one drink from that previous round.
Yes.
Ooh.
That's a good one. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, come on, stupid fingers. Pick them up.
Fingers
Look, I'm trying.
Hang on, look. Do it.
There, I'm holding them.
That's good.
Well, that's
I think that's winning.
looks good. Ooh. Oh, he's got his. No? He's got his number. Oh, one drink.
That's probably the furthest, yeah. So 7 for me. Oh, don't you do it.
Alright. Lucky 7.
Easy pot.
Shut up. No. Hmm?
Full,
Full out tide.
yeah.
What?
There's a guy.
Where?
Oh, no, maybe not.
Another one of your horses, isn't it?
It's a horse. What is that yellow thing like sticking up straight that way?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it's a guy.
What's coming out of this?
Bird poo.
Bird poo.
That's a bird
Oh,
poo.
what is this? They must be like some sort of burrowing thing.
Or, if I had to guess, I would say there have been drips.
No, I don't reckon. That is way too deep.
I mean, it's had a good couple of hours now, right?
Look at that one. How is that dripping to that depth?
Oh, it's
Go
pretty.
on, get your hand and just dig it
It's
out.
pretty soft sand, right? I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong because I'm wrong about everything. But
Yeah. So these. So what's that?
it's just a hole.
Nah.
Nothing significant. Nothing significant about
what's
it.
that one? Is that just a hole?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Ah, here's a nice little pool.
Look at this. That's like a worm or something, mate.
Yeah.
What is this?
That guy's got tires or something. Little motorized worm just.
There's nothing bad down here, is there?
That yours?
Blue bottles or...
Oh yeah.
I know there isn't.
Nah,
I know there's not specifically blue bottles.
we have the death bottles.
Ah, yeah. I remember when my sister was like 6. No, she would have been a bit older than me. What? You want to listen to me story?
Go on. Elaborate.
Well, she just got blue bottled
Ah.
in Marimbula, where we used to have a holiday house. Yeah, just like wrapped around her leg like crazy.
And
She was not happy.
well, it's quite intense pain, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just super painful.
Whoa. There's some dense rock up ahead.
Yeah.
Dense rock. Why aren't these genres? We're getting some deeper pools now. Look at all this. All right. Go, pro.
Yeah.
Please don't break.